Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to show you how to reset the service light on a Hyundai i20. It only takes a minute and it'll save you a trip to the dealer, so let's get into it. The light comes on when you hit the service interval. It's not a fault, it's just a reminder, and if your garage has forgot to reset it or you've done an oil and filter, then this is how it's done. So you turn the ignition on, and on this one we're going to the centre console. You press the setup button, you press the vehicle button, and then you scroll down to convenience. And then once you're in convenience, you'll see service interval. That's just thrown me off. Let's try again. Setup, vehicle, convenience, service interval. So you can see on there, enable service interval, distance 762 miles, which is what's left because we serviced it a little bit early on this one. What you do is press your reset button. It does a little dance and then your service interval has been reset. So that's how you reset the service light on a Hyundai i20. Hope this video has helped you in doing that. If it has, don't forget to like and subscribe, and it keeps more videos coming. See you on the next one.